Love Me hair, come to the front, please, because this is how y'all giving it up.
I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should have known it. I wasn't going.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea J and today we are doing a wig review. It's been a minute since I did one of these. This wig is brought to you by Love Me Hair, so let's get into it. And this is how it's coming. Okay. And I'm assuming this is actually, let me not assume. Let me pull up the deets. Okay. This is their Nature Max Deep Wave. Okay, Nature Max Deep Wave ear to ear glueless 13x5 frontal HD lace wig. And this is what she's looking like. This is her right out of the pack. I'm not sure of the length on this. This is how it looks from the front. This is the lace, of course. Let's get close. Let's move my mic real quick. Okay. Lot of lace. Hold on, it's a 13x5. Okay. But she got combs, 3 combs, and a big, thick band. Actually, this is the only band. All right, so how the construction of this wig. Hold on. Let's get into this construction. So this is the only band that's included. Well, they included a band. They think you can remove this. And I had took it off, but I had just threw it back on. So you could take that off. Wow, but this is what it looks like, y'all. And actually, let's just throw it on and see what it's giving. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay. She is glueless, so let's see right out the pack. Let's see what got my wig cap on. Okay, where's my mirror? I definitely want to wash and condition this before any customization. Oh my God, y'all, let me zoom. What? Do y'all see that? What? Love Me hair, come to the front, please, because this is how y'all giving it up. So it's low-key giving the pre-bleach, pre-plucked. Wow. Should we put her on without? Okay, let me zoom back out. Let me calm down. What? Okay, let me calm down. Do y'all see my hair running through this hair? Are we clocking this tea? All right. I don't even know what to do with her. Like, am I just not supposed to pull it out the pack and wear? Because I really feel like I can. Okay, let's see what else in the bag. I just got too excited. All right, what else is in this box? Because we need some tools. Oh, I'm glad I didn't put it down yet. Because they gave me an HD wig cap. That's what's coming with this wig. A wig band. Love Me wig band. I'm getting ready to use that. Actually, a little wig bag if you need to go ahead and travel with bae. An edge brush and a comb. What the wig girls be doing to me? All right, I play too much. Oh my God, am I wearing this wig without washing it? Are y'all gonna judge me if I do? Cause like she might get worn today for real without washing first, and I'm not mad. Okay, let me get the rest of my tools and I'll be right back. All right, right now I'm just taking my foundation brush that I did my makeup with today. I didn't add anything on it. I'm just rubbing out what's on here. I like an HD wig cap, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let me show y'all one more time without doing like a proper install. I'm trying to see if I can wear it without that band, and it looks like I can because it's actually tight enough for my head, which I'm so shocked at right now. I kind of want to go wash her real quick. I don't know. Part of me is like, girl, just put that wig on, girl. And I actually got somewhere to be, so it's like, what would y'all do? Let's do a full install. So I'm gonna wash it, hang it out to dry. But this is how it's looking, y'all. Pretty much out the pack. I have fingered the curls a whole lot though. So like, we're gonna see what happens when I wet it.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, just washed it and I air dried it for a little bit and just put it on my head. I'm gonna do the ball cap method. So I'm gonna cut the lace, but this is what it's looking like, y'all. This is still without me plucking it. Yo, do y'all see? Let me cut some lace and get this ball cap and let's start the glue process. BRB. definitely laid this lace before the glue was all the way dried. Ooh, ooh, it's stuck on here too. Ooh-wee. All right, let's see. Ooh. All right, there she is. We wanted to go pluck a little bit more. Okay, so we can already cut this off. So hopefully we'll get rid of it. Hopefully we can get rid of that. Y'all, this is the final look. I tried to contour a little bit right here, but like if you ain't in my business and we ain't in front of these lights, it don't look that bad. It don't look bad at all. Shout out to LUVME hair, y'all. This is definitely summer wig out the pack. All I did was shampoo and condition this hair, y'all. Cut the lace. And I did do the ball cap method, but as you see, you didn't have to do all that. I'm just kind of a stickler a little bit, but I love this hair. It's beautiful. It looked really natural, and I can't stop looking at myself. So we're going to wrap the video up here. Until the next one, you guys, don't forget to thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.